The majority of affiliate marketers are familiar with Clickbank. If you aren't, we'll walk you through exactly what it does. Nevertheless, very few of you are aware of how to profit from using Clickbank. Affiliate marketing beginners often begin by signing up for a program, searching for a subpar product that pays a large commission, and then daydreaming about how the product is going to bring in customers. This is a typical step in the process. Then, they throw some random traffic at it and watch as nobody spends $1 on it. They are finally able to arrive to the realization that the platform is terrible. Does this sound familiar? In this video, we will demonstrate in detail how one can generate money via Clickbank. But first, let me welcome you to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Samantha, and I want to shout out a big moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money with us online today. Let's get started. What is Clickbank? A good example of an affiliate network is Clickbank. Clickbank, on the other hand, is not like other affiliate platforms because it acts as a marketplace for people who manufacture products as well as affiliates. This allows both parties to generate money together without the need for complicated paperwork or agreements. How does Clickbank work? To put it another way, Clickbank acts as a go-between for individuals who produce digital goods like ebooks, videos, and music, and those who are in a position to sell those goods, sometimes known as affiliate marketers. Clickbank's clients include persons who create digital goods like these. Clickbank obviously serves either one of these two purposes, depending on which side of the market you sit on. 1. A product marketplace for affiliates. If you want to start generating money as an affiliate marketer, all you have to do is jump right in, build your own unique affiliate links for hundreds of items, and immediately begin driving visitors to your website. You will also be updated with real-time information regarding your earnings. It does not cost anything to sign up, and there is no screening process involved. There is neither a limit nor any difficult metrics. It is essentially a streamlined affiliate network that welcomes participation from anyone who is interested in trying it out. 2. An e-commerce platform for information product owners. If you are the owner of a product, you have the ability to add it to the database, and Clickbank will handle all of the checkout and e-commerce aspects of the transaction, in addition to providing an affiliate network for your product. In order to activate your Clickbank seller account, a one-time fee of $49.95 will be deducted from your account. Because of this cost, we feel certain merchants of lower quality are discouraged from participating in the platform's marketplace. You should be aware that the platform will take quite a deal of money from your sales, $1 plus 7.5% of the sales, which is excellent if you don't want to manage the technical side of things. However, this is wonderful if you don't want to handle the technical side of things. Because of this, if you start making any major sales volume, you may want to transfer out of the platform and onto platforms such as Thinkific or Teachable, because these platforms do not take a percentage of your sales. Thinkific and Teachable are examples of such platforms. In addition to a percentage of your total sales, you will be charged a payment processing fee of $2.50 each time you withdraw money from your account. You will be charged 50 cents or $1 for Clickbank to approve client refunds. It is likely that the proliferation of LMS platforms such as the two mentioned above is the reason why Clickbank has been experiencing some slowdown in recent years. Why Clickbank? If you are involved in affiliate marketing, you might be wondering why you should sell ebooks and online courses created by unidentified producers when you could simply sign up with CJ or Amazon Associates and offer products from trusted companies instead. To begin, the market for online education is massive, and Clickbank alone brings in close to $250 million in annual sales income. Second, there's a certain elegance that comes with using digital things. The appeal lies in achieving the biggest potential profit margins. Simply because it does not cost anything to produce a replica of a video and then sell it. 100% of the amount that was brought in might be termed the profit. When profits are high, affiliate commissions will also be high. In addition, Clickbank offers commissions of up to 75%. Pros and cons of Clickbank. We have a lot of respect for Clickbank and believe it is an excellent platform for novice affiliate marketers to launch their businesses and to begin making money online without having to deal with the complications that are associated with more sophisticated affiliate networks. There is no limit on how much you can make. You do not have to get approval for 90% of the offers, and you may begin making sales right immediately. Believe us when we say that this is a significant advantage to have when you are just starting out and do not yet have a track record to present to the major affiliate networks. The following is a condensed list of some of the advantages and disadvantages of using the platform. Pros. Financial incentives of a substantial nature. 75% commission is common. Sales are possible in the vast majority of countries. Multiple continuing sales opportunities, which result in consistent revenue. Moves the focus away from the technology. Cons. A multitude of subpar goods and marketing pages. A great deal of rivalry in the market for popular goods. It is difficult to determine what is successful without investing in traffic. The high fees that come along with using an e-commerce platform. How to make money with Clickbank. You need to follow the same formula as any other successful endeavor if you want to make money using Clickbank. To get started, you need to have a reliable product that people desire and build a conversion funnel to take advantage of the traffic. After that, you work to increase your traffic and improve your sales funnel, and if you determine that you are making a profit, you scale everything up. The concept is simple, but in practice, very few individuals put forth the effort to make it work. Because only 10% of affiliates are responsible for 90% of all affiliate profits, you need to put forth your best effort. Let's start with the product. Pick the right product to promote. You may start making money with Clickbank by becoming an affiliate in marketing pages that have already been optimized in order to develop your sales funnels. This is one of the finest ways to make money with Clickbank. Researching relevant keywords for search engine optimization, SEO, is essential, and so is selecting the ideal product to market on Clickbank. If you direct traffic to a sales page that does not convert visitors into buyers, you will not generate a lot of money, no matter how skilled you are at marketing. Which product should be promoted the most? When it comes to learning how to make money using Clickbank, one of the most important steps is to evaluate different offers. When it comes to vetting potential promotions, the following criteria are taken into consideration. Low-priced initial offer with the potential for up to 3 more sales. Video sales pages and native sales pages, pages that feel like content. Products with good reviews online. Low refunds equal more money and less list burnout. Gravity above 20 shows that the page translates fairly effectively, meaning that the page converts fairly well. The methods that everyone uses to attempt to earn money through Clickbank. If you read posts on blogs that are focused on affiliate marketing, you will come across a lot of different strategies for making money with Clickbank. There are some of them that work, but there are others that are obviously not going to work. The problem with a majority of these strategies, with the exception of the very last one, is that they have a very restricted amount of pre-selling. People are directed to sales pages without being informed of the precise reason why they have been brought there, or who the individual is who is attempting to sell them an information product. According to what we have seen, pre-selling is a huge deal. You need to provide customers with credible reasons why they should purchase the product, and if you can be that third party making a recommendation, your conversion rates will likely increase by a factor of 5 to 10 times more frequently. The process of creating your affiliate links and TIDs. Create a fresh affiliate link every time you put a link somewhere, as this is the most effective way to track where your conversions originate. For example, which email, Facebook ad, or blog post, which will allow you to identify the source of your conversions. By doing so, you will be able to determine which emails and pages are successful and which are not. When you are creating a link, simply add the tracking ID you want to the field labeled Tracking ID. This will allow you to create a tracking ID. Scaling. After you have constructed the fundamental funnel, you should let it operate for a short while. You may begin construction on a second one, and then, after some time has passed, evaluate whether or not it is worthwhile to put in additional effort into the first. If it is already generating some revenue and you want to grow it, all you have to do is focus on growing one area at a time. These are the following. Producing additional material for SEO centered on an increased number of keywords associated with the product that you are selling. Adding inbound links to your already existing content in order to boost its rankings. Increasing the amount of traffic to your content by using paid social media. Increasing the number of emails sent by your autoresponder from 3 to between 12 and 15 in order to boost sales. Run split tests on your pop-ups and opt-ins to see which ones result in the highest number of sign-ups. Owning the offer. When you've reached a certain level of success, you should already be bringing in several $1,000s every month. At this point, you should start giving some serious thought to the possibility of replacing the affiliate offer with your own offer. You will be able to keep all of the money that is coming in and maintain control over things such as the following: the increase in sales, the landing page for sales, the capacity to purchase traffic that is directed specifically to your product pages. Enable other people to earn money for you by having them promote your goods. It is not simple, and if you had no traffic and no revenue, you would never even think about doing it because of how difficult it is. However, if you have established that you can attract people and sell information items to them, this is among the most effective strategies to increase your own earnings. You have probably already guessed that the scope of this technique encompasses a somewhat bigger area than Clickbank on its own. Clickbank is an excellent and straightforward location to begin the process of replacing things like AdSense or Amazon earnings with actual sales. If you are successful in making it work, it will typically result in significantly increased revenue. You are free to utilize this in different affiliate programs or even for the purpose of promoting your very own products. Be wary, however, because there is a possibility that the offer could be withdrawn at any time. It is imperative that you have a backup offer ready in the event that something like this occurs. We hope that this video has shown you that it is possible to establish a long-term property, be recognized as a value adder, and yet generate money through Clickbank. We also hope that it has motivated you to move away from monetization strategies that are perceived as simple. Click the video on the screen now for more cool cash cow inside secrets.